Only on 6 tonight, two siblings are remembering their mother after she died in a tragic crash.
State troopers say she was on the back of a motorcycle when the driver of that bike rear-ended a car.
NBC6 reporter Niko Clemmons spoke with that woman's child, her children. He lives in is live in Fort Lauderdale with the exclusive. Niko.
Well, Joanne, Trina, this was their mother, and like many mothers, she was their biggest cheerleader. Here's a photo of the three of them standing together. Her children say their mom developed a love for motorcycles too long ago. Unfortunately, she lost her life not too far from where I'm standing.
I don't think she would have chose any other way to go out other than on a motorcycle.
She was the cool mom, but more importantly, Caridad Alicea Patrice was a good mom.
She was fun. She was positive. She was the life of the party.
If you knew her, you maybe called her Crazy Carrie. However, she usually went by Angel. It's the name tatted on her son's neck.
She was the most selfless person I ever knew.
Kritzia and Austin say their mom fell in love with motorcycles a few years ago, and they supported it.
If you like it, I love it.
Saturday morning, state troopers say Patrice was on a motorcycle with another man heading south on the ramp to I-595 from Interstate 95 when the motorcycle hit the back of another car. Both the man and Patrice were thrown from the motorcycle and died on the highway.
She loved it. I don't think she would have chose any other way to go out other than on a motorcycle.
These siblings have dealt with loss the last several years, losing both their grandparents and now their mom.
Tragedies like this, they happen, and we just have to accept them. That's God's plan, not ours.
They say they're at peace, and now they have an angel watching over them.
And I feel like in her last moments, she really had peace.
She was like always in our corner. And I'm really gonna miss that.
And FHP says the driver of that motorcycle was speeding, and it's going to take some time before that full report comes out. But as far as the family we just spoke with, there's a GoFundMe for that family to help with funeral costs. We have it posted on our website right now, NBCmiami.com. In Fort Lauderdale, Niko Clemmons, NBC6 News.